What's the meaning of brake? Brake. Brake.
Brake. Brake. The term brake refers to a device or system used to slow down or stop the motion of a vehicle or machine. When a brake is applied, it generates friction between two surfaces, typically between brake pads and a rotor or drum, which causes the vehicle or machine to slow down or stop completely. This helps to ensure safety and control in various situations, such as slowing down before a turn, coming to a stop at a red light, or stopping abruptly to avoid a collision. Proper use and maintenance of brakes is essential for safe operation of vehicles and machines.